Hey there, English learners. Today, we're diving into the world of conditionals. Those magical little if sentences that let you talk about the past, present, and future, or even imaginary worlds. If you understand conditionals, your English will get a lot better. Let's make it fun and easy. The 4 types of conditionals. Conditionals come in 4 flavors, like ice cream, but less messy. Zero conditional, facts and rules. If plus present simple, present simple. If water boils, it evaporates. It's science, always true. If you heat ice, it melts. Tip: use this for facts and unbreakable truths. First conditional, real future possibilities. If plus present simple, will plus base verb. If it rains, I will bring an umbrella. If you study, you will pass the test. Think: this is real and possible in the future. Second conditional, unreal or imaginary situations. If plus past simple, would plus base verb. If I had $1 million, I would travel the world. If she were taller, she would play basketball. Tip: use this to dream or talk about things that are unlikely. And yes, it's always were, even for I. English is weird like that. Third conditional, regrets and missed chances. If plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. If I had known, I would have called you. If they had left earlier, they would have caught the bus. This one's for regrets or when you want to sound dramatic. Let's quickly recap with some fun examples. Zero conditional. If you mix red and blue, you get purple. First conditional. If you call me, I will answer. Second conditional. If I had superpowers, I would fly to school. Third conditional. If I had remembered your birthday, I would have bought you a cake. And that's how you master conditionals. If you practice, you will get better. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. If you could travel anywhere, where would you go? See you in the next lesson, English champions.